Have you ever heard of the oarfish? A strange, long fish with a serpent-like body that lives deep in the ocean? Recently, this mysterious creature has been washing up on shores around the world. Most notably, a few days ago, an oarfish was found on the shores of Karachi, Pakistan. But why is this fish so mysterious? And could it be a sign of something bigger, something ominous? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the mystery of the oarfish and explore the facts, myths, and science behind this deep-sea anomaly. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an oarfish? The oarfish, also known as Regalicus glesni, is one of the longest fish in the world, with some individuals growing up to 36 feet long. These deep-sea creatures are often referred to as the king of herrings, due to their size and their silvery, elongated bodies. The oarfish has a striking appearance. Its body is long and ribbon-like, and it has a red crest on its head that looks almost like a crown. They also have long, flat fins that resemble oars, hence the name oarfish. The oarfish spends most of its life in the deep ocean, usually at depths between 200 and 1,000 meters. Because of this, they are rarely seen by humans. But despite their rarity, oarfish have occasionally washed up on shore, and that's where things get interesting. Just recently, an oarfish was found washed up on the shores of Karachi, Pakistan. This discovery has sparked a wave of curiosity and concern, especially on social media. Some locals believe that the appearance of the oarfish is a sign of impending disaster or doom. Why? Well, this isn't the first time an oarfish has been associated with such beliefs. Historically, the oarfish has been linked to natural disasters, particularly earthquakes. Some cultures believe that when these fish are seen near shore, it could indicate that the earth beneath is shifting or about to erupt. This belief goes back centuries, with many fishermen and coastal communities associating the presence of the oarfish with something big, like a natural disaster, particularly an earthquake. While the idea of oarfish predicting earthquakes might sound intriguing, there's no scientific evidence to support it. In fact, marine biologists suggest that the reason oarfish often wash up on shores is because they are sick or dying. Oarfish are deep sea dwellers, and when they become injured or disoriented, often due to old age, illness, or even strong underwater currents, they may swim toward shallower waters, sometimes ending up on the beach. So while it's certainly mysterious, it's not necessarily an omen of an earthquake or other disaster. In fact, many scientists believe that oarfish and other deep-sea creatures may be more vulnerable to environmental changes, like shifts in water temperature, pollution, or human activity. So, if oarfish aren't predicting natural disasters, why are they so mysterious? Despite their size, they are rarely seen. Most people have never encountered one, and there's still so much we don't know about their behavior, migration patterns, and biology. Oarfish are elusive and live at depths where the pressure and temperature are so extreme that it makes studying them in their natural habitat a challenge. In fact, many of the observations of oarfish come from when they wash up on beaches, which doesn't happen very often. The mystery only deepens when they appear in unexpected locations, especially when they do so in large numbers, or after seismic activity. Throughout history, many cultures have created myths and legends around deep-sea creatures, particularly the oarfish. In Japan, for example, there is a belief that when an oarfish appears, it's a sign of an impending earthquake. This belief has been rooted in the idea that the fish's strange, long shape and movements near shore were seen as unnatural occurrences that predicted disaster. In other cultures, oarfish have been linked to sea serpents or even sea gods. They have been featured in folklore as symbols of the deep, mysterious ocean and the unknown creatures that inhabit its depths. But the reality is far less mystical and more scientific. Marine biologists have studied oarfish and have discovered that their behavior in coastal areas can be influenced by several factors. One of the key reasons they might end up on beaches is due to their health and the extreme pressures they experience in deep water. When they surface, it's often because something is wrong with them. Additionally, underwater currents, food scarcity, or sudden changes in water conditions can disorient oarfish. Their appearance on the shore is not a sign of an earthquake, but rather a symptom of environmental stress. Interestingly, some scientists believe that the oarfish's appearance near shorelines could be linked to changes in ocean temperatures, as they can migrate closer to the surface in response to warmer waters. However, the exact cause remains unclear and is still a subject of research. Oarfish are not just mysterious, they are also important to marine science. These creatures are considered to be living fossils, meaning that they have been around for millions of years and have changed very little. Studying them can give us valuable insights into ocean ecosystems, the behavior of deep-sea creatures, and how these animals have adapted to such extreme conditions. Scientists are particularly interested in their biology, how they can survive in the deep, dark ocean, and why they have such unique features. The oarfish's long body and snake-like appearance have evolved to help them navigate the deep ocean's currents. Their study might also help us better understand how deep-sea creatures cope with environmental changes like pollution and climate change. So, what have we learned today? While the appearance of the oarfish on our shores might spark fear and fascination, it's important to separate myth from reality. These creatures aren't harbingers of doom, but rather, they are fascinating marine animals that offer us a glimpse into the mysteries of the deep ocean. They may not predict earthquakes, but they do remind us of the vast, unexplored world beneath the waves, a world full of creatures and phenomena that continue to intrigue and mystify us. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep-sea mysteries. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe in the myths surrounding the oarfish? Or do you think there's a scientific explanation behind their mysterious behavior? We'd love to hear from you.